And look who ran into us while we were sitting here filming. You want to tell them your name?
Hi, I'm Emily.
I'm Justin.
That's right. And you said y'all are from
Maryland.
Right. And they said they watch our videos to get an idea, and they're planning on moving down here.
That's right. We're looking to buy a place down here, and we love Beachin With The Boones,
Aw.
Beatbox and Bunny.
Thank
We
you.
give us all the best what's happening in Myrtle Beach.
Thank you.
And I love it. The first thing she said was, "Hey, y'all, hey." Well, y'all have a great time, and it was good to see y'all.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for watching our channel.
Yeah, thanks so much.
Hey y'all, hey, it's Beachin With The Boones, and we're right down here at the Plyler Park in Myrtle Beach, and we're going to take you on a walk front to back, right?
Right, we're going to walk down the boardwalk, starting here at Plyler Park, right by the Skywheel, and we're going to walk down up to where the pavilion used to be.
And as you can tell, it's an overcast, and it's the middle of February, right after Valentine's Day weekend. Let's go check it out.
We'll turn this around.
It's about 56 degrees down here in Myrtle Beach today, and it is cloudy. And the sun was peeking through this morning, but
And we thought it was going to be a little bit warmer,
yes.
but it's not.
Nope. And we're planning on going skating in a little while, so you're going to definitely have to check out that video.
Yes, that's going to be, I can't remember the name of it, but it's in Surfside.
Play World, or it's
Yeah.
right there beside Walmart in Surfside.
Yeah, they have a go-kart racing or something like
That's
that
right.
also. And I don't know if that's going to be open, but we are at least going with some friends, and we're going to go attempt to skate, which we hadn't done
Probably 20 years.
20 or 30 years. But we'll find out if we still have what it takes.
I think so. But as you can tell right here on the boardwalk, it is pretty packed today, isn't it?
Yeah.
For a Saturday. And I think people just want to get out. And boy, I tell you, you can smell those delicious corn dogs, can't you?
Heck yeah, I'm hungry now. I
Foot
don't know if
long
are
corn dogs.
we gonna eat somewhere.
Oh yeah, we're gonna go to a different restaurant today. We're gonna check that out. So we got a busy day.
Okay. So
But-
right here, let's see. Here's your arcade and entertainment. There's some Bluebell ice cream,
Yeah,
but I don't think that's that busy this time of year.
no. Which we did eat ice cream. Oh yeah, that hot sauce ice cream down in Surfside.
Yeah. We had to find out what that was about.
Oh yeah, we definitely need to check it out.
So here's your Boardwalk Paradise General Store.
Hello, how are you doing?
Hey, how are y'all?
That's good. So there's a lot of locals out, and there's a lot of people that are traveling down here that have mentioned us and said that they watch our videos and everything. So
Right.
thanks for reaching out to us. That really puts a smile on our faces to let us know that y'all watch our
Yeah.
channel.
That's right.
And keep on watching, and
Keep
make
on
sure you
watching.
subscribe. And don't forget to watch the Mardi Gras video.
Oh, yeah. All right, so we're passing Dirty Don's.
Hey. Oh, look, the sun is peeping out. Can you see it, Beatbox?
Barely.
So maybe it'll come out. I'm sure as soon as we get into that skating rink, it'll be
Oh, yeah.
bright and sunny.
While we're inside,
Yes.
it'll be bright and sunny outside.
Oh, it is coming through.
Yeah.
All right.
Let's see, there are a few people playing volleyball. Up here is where, if you're not familiar with this area, the volleyball courts, this is where the pavilion sat for years and years before they tore it down.
It says Beachin With The Boones.
Hi,
That's
how are
it.
y'all?
Hey, how are y'all doing? Yes, yeah. All right.
All right.
Oh, you're going to walk all the way down
No,
that way?
no. I was just going to show
Okay.
the volleyball court and where the fun used to be when we were younger.
That's right. And we have videos on all of these restaurants right here on the oceanfront.
The coffee house,
Duff's, the Bowery, right? Is that the Bowery?
Duffy's, and the Bowery. We
Yeah.
did the Bowery.
Yeah, we did. The big old huge cheeseburger, remember?
Yeah, which
Mm.
they get their food from Duffy's.
Okay.
And this was the start of the famous Alabama group. They used to play here.
And one of my favorite, Peach's Corner. I love the ladies in there, so y'all definitely need to check it out and go in there and say, hey, Beachin With The Boones sent you.
That's right.
They're awesome.
Which is right here.
That's right.
You can get food, beer, all kind of good stuff. So here's Ripley's Believe It or Not. And this is pretty much how busy it is for February, mid-February, right after Valentine's Day.
Woohoo!
And what we're going to do, we'll walk in the front here and see how it is on the Boulevard.
We're walking by Peach's Corner right now that's been established since 1937.
Mm-hmm.
And I'm peeking in to see, and I don't see our ladies in there, so might be a little too early.
Could be off today. Retro likes to eat there a lot.
Yes, he does.
He might be in there, I don't know.
No, I don't see him. You know, we could definitely spot him out in the crowd. He's like us. Fun.
So right here's the arcade, baseball, old-timey photos, all your great tourist attractions.
Right. Swing on over there to the,
This side?
yeah, just to kind of give it.
Okay. Yeah, they got shops, and of course, if you come to the beach and forget your bathing suit,
Yep.
they got plenty of things for that.
Right. I'm trying to keep beatbox from tripping over these.
Oh yeah, my
lines.
big Flintstone feet make me accident prone. Now here's where you can get a real good burger.
Our funnel cake, remember?
Yeah.
On our cheap eats? That
Yeah.
was delicious.
So there's your general store from this side that we passed a while ago.
And the Crazy Golf is right over there from Ripley's.
Let's see here.
Vacationing? Anyone vacationing?
No.
Come on over. I'll help you with the gift bag.
Yeah, there's your Crazy Golf, French fries, and they will try to sell you t-shirts, even if you're local.
Oh, Mr. Fries is open today, so that's good.
Mr. Fries.
That's right. All right, so Mr. Fries, I see that they're open today.
Yeah, we had to make a pit stop and talk to some people.
That's right. And then we got,
So you got your New York. Now, we showed this in our cheap eats.
we did. And that was delicious too.
And we've been in the Gay Dolphin plenty
Many
of times,
times. We're gonna have to
which is
talk.
the largest gift shop possibly in the world.
I think so.
And it's been here since forever as well.
So if you're looking for like special gifts for someone, you will definitely want
You
to check out there.
get-
Yeah.
You'll find
Look at
it
that
in there.
mermaid beatbox.
Look at that.
You need to get the mermaids for our house. That would be awesome.
Yeah. Look at the octopus
Oh yeah, that's cool too.
chandelier.
Oh yeah.
Told you, you can get all kind of stuff in there. All right.
All right.
There's your
There's
Crazy
Freak
Golf
Shakes.
on this side.
Yes, Crazy Golf, along with the Haunted Adventures and the Mirror Maze. So you can do all three at one time, and that is a good event for today when it was kind of chilly and overcast. Somewhere to check out.
Or if it's raining.
Yeah. Or if it's just too hot.
Y'all guys want me to test those today?
No, thank you. But thanks anyway.
So not only can you get t-shirts, but you can get henna tattoos,
That's right.
and they will be happy to give them to you.
Very.
Let's see. Here's Plyler Park, where we started.
Looks a little brighter. The sun is trying.
Sun's trying to come out.
And we were down here filming the opening for our 10 top resorts.
Yeah.
So you definitely want to check that out.
Right. We're about to post that, I think, this week.
Okay. All
Here's
right.
a look at the Skywheel before we do our closing. And I will let Bunny B close us out
Oh, wow.
because she is the brand.
Well, there you have brand. I don't know about the brand. Well, there you have it. That was a look front to back and center. So I hope you enjoyed this video. And as always, keep beaching. See you in the next video.
And make sure you like and subscribe to keep up with what's going on around the beach so you can keep beaching.
They're going to poop in my hair.
That one is. He's looking right at you.
Oh,
Poop
God,
on
I'm
your head.
leaving.
We're going to take a walk right here. What is this?
No, mid-February, right after Valentine's Day.
Right after.
Hold on. Why would you stand right behind me?
She's done stepped on my feet.
Heck yeah. All right, you ready? We got to start all over.